What are your identical twin stories? I married an identical twin. They have very similar personalities, so I get along well with my wife's twin. When her twin visits, they sometimes swap clothes. Once I saw my wife come out and then return to the room. A moment later, I saw her twin come out wearing a different outfit. I initially thought it was my wife. She went back in another time and changed shirts again. I was getting annoyed because I figured it was my wife changing for the third time. Nope, just the twin trying on 2 shirts. When we got married, my mom was helping my wife put together her bouquet of flowers. She had to get her makeup done, so she left the room, and my wife's twin stepped in without missing a beat. My mom went on to have a 20-minute heart-to-heart with who she thought was her future daughter-in-law. I finally overheard something and told my mom it was her twin. Poor mom.